Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Happy Friday. We'll go ahead and get this thing started here. Just for the record, I'm going to be trading 50K account today, up about 2% for the week on the 150K account. So I'm going to protect that capital and work on this account today. So as far as my analysis goes, I would say that I'm feeling pretty bullish right now. We are generating a low resistance liquidity run after sweeping previous weekly low. If I jump over here to the daily, here's our weekly candle. I guess we'll start here. So weekly candle traded down into a weekly imbalance and into a breaker and sweeping previous weekly low. So this is all being taken out right now. And delivery up from this inefficiency here, this breaker here is what I'm expecting. And that would also align with a TGIF narrative of a retracement back up into the range. So that's really it. Right now, price is trading down below New York midnight. Perfect, exactly what you want to see. No news to worry about anymore. All the news is past. And as well, I have dollar pulled up over here. Dollar also looks very bearish. So I expect dollar to keep trading lower through these relative equal lows that we're close to, is what I'm expecting. So we'll see what we get. Probably going to rely heavily on the macros. Not that we don't rely on them ever any other day, but definitely anticipating something to form here in the next 5-10 minutes or so. The idea would be like entry from the inverse if we trade back above it, and really just looking to close it if we were to reclaim it, trade back below it, probably put a hard stop down here in case of a freak accident or whatever. But terrorist attack. Yeah, dollar still trading lower. About to break a new low. Equal lows though with the 1005 and 1004 candle. Equal lows with 1005 and 1004. Oh, I'm not worried about this. This? No, I'm not worried about that. But yeah, as I always say, if you guys don't feel comfortable with a trade idea, I wouldn't take it. Take only trades you agree with. Dollar's going down. We're about to inverse this gap. I'm gonna market execute along here if we do. So yeah, if you like it, take it with me. If not, listen, I ain't gonna hold it against you. All right, guys, I'm in.
Order filled.
Can I? Oh, is that stop loss? Oh, hell yeah. That's cool. I didn't know you could just grab it and drop it. Super cool. That's 1,700. My max profit is like 1,500 on this. I'm just gonna take it up to that. Yeah, hard stop though. Hard stop like right here, but realistically, I'm closing it if we trade back below this gap and close below it. Trading it right back up to here. But no, yeah, I would say if we're going lower, Justin, like I'm not too worried about this. Like if we're going lower, we're probably going opening range low. We're probably going 485. Truthfully. And then we're in the macro. Macro's about to end here in 2 minutes. 1 minute, actually. So like, if I'm wrong, you know what I mean? We're going south of the border. Yeah, but I see dollar dropping like right now. If you guys look at the DXY chart, go look at the 15 minute. It's just a big bearish engulfing candle. So I'm gonna keep trading what I see. And if indices want to go in the same direction as dollar, which is not supposed to happen, then well, that's just the way it is. Inversed on the 1 and the 2. Did leave behind a little 1 minute bullish gap there that price is respecting at the moment. $40 seconds on the candle. Again, close below, I'll just close it. All right, guys.
Order filled.
We close below it. I'm gonna hop out. Eat the $492 loss. I can always get back in if we trade back higher. But the PD array that I wanted to see respect failed, so cut it off. Yeah, so let's just see if this macro brings us anything, guys. If not, I just got to swallow the small loss for the Friday. Definitely don't want to, like, you know, I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to, you know, do something rash. I'm not about to try to make it worse for no reason. Want to see something solid. And if not, it is what it is. It's still a good week. Always kind of sucks going into the weekend with that taste in your mouth, but the good news is once you log off the charts, go to the gym, walk away for 5 minutes, you feel better again. I will be definitely longing in this gap if we get a pullback into it. SMT at the low. 2 to 2.5 standard deviation. Below sell side. All right, guys. Put my limit on. Just looking to bring it back up to equilibrium of the previous hour.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Tapped in. In the macro, SMT at the low, bullish displacement up, market structure shift, fair value gap entry. We ride, baby. Obviously, last trade of the morning. If this gets stopped, I'll probably be hitting max daily drawdown anyway on this 50K. Well, then, looks like we're just gonna tank. Maybe. Really, last line of defense is if we soup this low right here, where the SMT was formed.
Order filled.
All right. Max loss hit on the 50K again on a Friday. Same thing happened to me last Friday. Up 3K across two different 150K accounts this week. Down 1K on the 50K now. Whore. But it is what it is, guys. I will see you guys next week, Monday. Don't let this bug you too much. Fuck Fridays. Have a good weekend, guys.